All right. So today we are dividing fractions. So we're back to drop, change, flip. I have more videos in my YouTube channel. If you need more on division of fractions, this is just a quick review. First thing, you're going to bring down the left fraction. So you're literally going to bring it down. Step 2 is you're going to change the division sign to a times sign, just like that. And then number 3, do the reciprocal of the right fraction. So this is the left, this is the right, and the reciprocal means to flip it over. And now we're doing the same thing as we would when we multiply. We're going straight across and getting an answer and reducing it, or we can do some diagonal crossouts. Okay, so straight across would be 100 over 80, and then we can divide by 20 and get 5 over 4 and 5/4. 4 goes into 5 one time with 1 left over 4. So our answer is 1 1/4. If we did diagonal crossouts, which I will do up here for you guys so you can see that. I'm not going to do this method on both. I'm going to do this diagonal crossout method every time I can. 5 goes into 5 once, goes into 10 twice. And 4 goes into 8 twice, and 4 goes into this 5 times. So when we multiply straight across, we get 5 over 4, which equals to 1 1/4. Same way, same answer, different method. Now, diagonal crossouts is the method that I'm going to show, but just remember, after you do step 1, 2, and 3, bring it down, change the sign, and flip the fraction, you can simply just go straight across and solve this if you don't like this method. All right. Step 1, bring down the left fraction. Step 2, change the sign to a times sign. Step 3, do the reciprocal, which is flip the fraction. We have one set of diagonals in common. 2 goes into 2 once, 2 goes into 4 twice. 2 times 3 is 6, 5 times 1 is 5. 5 goes into 6 one time with 1 left over 5. If you forgot how to do this, this is all I'm doing. 5 goes into 6 once, 1 1/5, which is how I got that answer. Bring down the left, change the sign, flip the fraction. 2 sets of diagonals, you can go straight across and get 45/30 and fix it. Or 3 goes into 3 once, 3 goes into 9 3 times, 5 goes into 5 once, goes into 10 twice. 3 times 1 is 3, 2 times 1 is 2. 2 goes into a 3 one time with 1 left over 2. All whole numbers have a 1 underneath it. Bring down the left, change the sign, flip the fraction. No diagonals in common, straight across, 7/16. All whole numbers go over 1. Bring down the left, change the sign, flip the fraction. No diagonals in common, straight across. 15 over 2. 2 goes into 15 7 times to make 14. There's 1 left over from a 15. Denominator 2. Bring down the left, change the sign, flip the fraction. 2's go into this twice, 2 goes into that 5 times, 2 goes into that 5 times, 2 goes into this 6 times. 5 times 5 is 25, 6 times 2 is 12. 12 goes into 25 twice to make 24. Leftovers 1 over 12. And remember, if you forgot how to do that, 2 1/12. That's how that looks. Okay? If you need it, you can rewind it. It looks too messy for me. And as always, I heart